Hey up guys, Dave here, writing 41 songs in 41 days. Today is song number 37. Today I set out to write a song just like as a songwriting exercise, but as I started writing that song, I had to just go and deal with something. Let's get cracking.
I just got called out then on a little bit of an emergency. It's actually given me an idea for today's song that was actually different to what I was going to do. And I was just thinking it'd be a really nice idea to write a song about staying calm in stressful situations. I think one of the things that I'm really trying to explore at the moment is just trying to come up with solid, simple melodies. You gotta take a deep breath. You gotta keep calm. You gotta take 1 sec and keep getting on with it. I quite like that. I think there's something in that. And I guess I could do some things with different bass notes as well, so we've got the typical thing there. I think I've just extended the chorus a little bit. You need to take a deep breath. You gotta stay calm. You need to take 1 sec and keep getting on with it. You need to take the right step to help you stay calm. You gotta keep your head and keep getting on with it. Yeah. So I'm thinking chord progression wise for the verse of changing it. C major to E major. So leading us to the A minor, or a secondary dominant, you could say, leading to A minor to the F. And the next time round it just goes C straight to A minor, so without the E major, then to F major, and then I wanted it to go to F minor, like almost like the feeling of I can't keep this under control, but that's when that chord is going to be when you need to take a deep breath, like then suddenly the chorus comes in, it tries to pick you up. That's what I'm thinking. I just need to find the right vocals for it now. Sometimes your emotion, sometimes your emotions just ain't go. This might be a starting point here. Emotions running high and panic takes over. You lose control and you just cannot cope. Tension's running high and I lose my mind. The first line of the chorus is you need to take a deep breath. So I'm thinking maybe head is probably kind of it's an imperfect rhyme, but it works. Tension's running high and I lose my mind. Don't wanna lose my head. You need to take a deep breath. Right, so I've tried to just come up with something here in the second verse that kind of all runs along the same lines. It's easy for you to say, you need to just stay calm. Can feel my heart beating far too fast. I'm beating, emotions running high, and I can't keep control. But I don't know if I can cope. You need to take a deep breath. Yeah, this is one of those songs that puts a smile on my face, because it's like, in some ways, like I can't believe I just came up with that. Sometimes ideas actually start with like a seed of something you want to say, or want to write, or want to create, and trust, I suppose, the skills and the knowledge you have. Draw upon little things as I need to. And it's a nice message, I think, you know, the idea of, you know, sometimes your emotions feel like they're taking over. You've got to take a deep breath and you've got to stay calm. Boom, let's record this thing. And by the way, I just want to say that the kind of slight emergency I had to go deal with was nothing major at all, just something that I had to take care of, that's all. But it sparked this idea for a song.
This is one of the reasons why I think it's important to do songwriting exercise and to practice the craft of songwriting, because when you do get hit by inspiration, like I was today, I was ready for that inspiration. I'm really happy with this song, so if you want to check it out, it's on the screen now. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to be able to post a video for the next couple of days, so I will see you in a couple of days.